Good morning. Thank God for another morning. And today, we're going to go through a whole market breakdown today of me from setting up to entering the trades. When I first get in the market, it'll be between 8 and 8:30. You want to get in there before 8:30. So the blue lines are my London high. This is my London high. Asian high right here. We want to start off, we look at the daily. On the daily, we see we sold off yesterday, sold off day before yesterday, and we selling off today. We see we still had this last week opening gap that was never filled. It's from down here to up here. I think that's what it's going to trade to today because we came all the way down here. 1 hour, you want to go on MNQ. This is how I do mine. I set up my lines. So I got London high, 4 p.m. and made that London high. And then at 17 right here, which is 5, that's what the high was for the Asian session. Then we got Asian low, which has already been taken out. And then we got London low, 8 o'clock. Got taken out already, so we don't even have to mark out Asian low. Then we want to go to MES and mark that up as well because they work in confluence. So, and I only mark up the Asian and London sessions high and low on ES. That's the only thing I'm really focused on. But you see, we got London high, Asian high. We see that Asian already been taken out. London has already been taken out. Cool. Next, we just wait till 8:45 to look and get in anything to trade. So we see it selling off. So my thoughts is it's going to continue to sell off, or I want to continue to look at sales because it's been selling off. Got this fair value gap 4 hour that it touched in a little bit, but I mean, it can touch in more and take out liquidity and then start back selling off. And yeah, that's most likely what's going to happen. It took out liquidity down here. Took out all this liquidity. Might come back up, take out that liquidity. These yellow lines are liquidity from over here. Got this liquidity, got this liquidity. And then, like I said, these two yellow lines are the new week opening gap from, a week ago. It's currently 8:43, and like I said, it's heading down to this liquidity. But I scroll over here, and this was at 7:38. Like, this was the perfect setup. Boom, boom, boom. Trend line broke. Inverse. Stop up here. Come down, take those lows out. But we don't trade at this time. So we have to wait till it come over here and then try to do like a little buy running, hit all points, and then break down. All right, so boom. It came down and took both areas of liquidity that I was thinking about out. Yeah, it came took out both of these areas, boom and boom. So I got a little setup going. I'm not going to take it because I want to take a sell today. I want to take a sell. I want to be 100%. I want to take a sell. But not going to lie, this looking A1. Like, it break above this, inverse this fair value gap. And you got this liquidity right here. It could take perfect setup. I ain't going to lie. If you break it and inverse that, I might just see. It's been looking too promising. Yeah, it's solid. Out. And then another setup approached. Trend line, still same trend line. Just moved it up because it had another entry. At this point, inversed right here. Came up, took out liquidity. Like, the strategy don't fail. You just got to be confident in catching the play and entering. But like I said, I was waiting on sales. So, yeah, I know a sale going up here. We just got to be patient like we just was patient these 2 times. And we missed 2 banger-ass entries. This was a banging-ass entry for 76 pips, my nigga. 76. And then this one was another one for a 48 to 53. Like, both of them was banging-ass entries, bro. Crazy, crazy, crazy work. But, yeah, bro, that was nice. That was a nice little, yeah. Yeah. I don't even feel nobody on my Glock inside the party. They be she ride she like a Harley. And it's a gangster party. But yeah, I was just showing y'all that. Now I can wait on my little yeah to happen. So yeah, let me tap. Like I said, bro, this is absolutely nuts. I really missed the best entries of the day. No cap. That was for this play. It gave me 2 different entries at once, like in one setup. Gave me this one. And then I had this one over here. Like this was a banker right here. This was for a 70 pip to 75 pip, 1-to-1. Then this, I missed that entry, came here, still was hesitating. And this just played out. Both break of the trend line, both inverse fair value gaps, and both came and made a 1-to-1, bro. We might have caught one, y'all. Hold up, let's see. Let's see where this candle close at. Damn, bro, I hate when that happen. Damn, bro, I don't be wanting to hop in no, like, damn, I be wanting to wait till the candle close because it could always pull back up, but look at this, bro, like, this shit just OD blew it, like, damn. I didn't even have a fucking solid ass entry right here because it closed way down here. But let's hope it touch back up because shit, that'll be love. But damn, bro. That shit is crazy. This another, oh no, this what? 1-to-2. It's a 1-to-2. If we could get that to pull back up and I get a nice ass entry right there, I ain't taking that shit way down there. That's too many pips. Once again, just had to show y'all how crazy this was. Like, it played out perfect. It played out perfect, bro. It played out perfect. No cap. But I see another entry. So we're going to wait and try to play it for this liquidity right here. Like I said, I still feel like it's going to go down here. But all we need is a 1-to-1 today. Nothing more, nothing less. But this what I'm looking at now. That's what I'm looking at now, right here. Boom, boom. Come back. I already inversed these fair value gaps. If it respect this fair value gap, I could play that as it continues the trend, as a continuation of the trend. So yeah, we gonna see. Tap in. Like that, Chad, we got fucking clapped up. Plays just to get fucking clapped up. Cause nigga wanna hop in. Nigga wants to hop in. Damn, this bit running like. This bit running. I should have just kept the stop loss. Fucking up here at the swing, but I put it right here at the fair value gap. Thinking I was safe. I hopped in right here thinking I was safe. Fucking clapped up, man. Got one more play we could try. It's the last one. This shit don't work out, gotta lock the account, bro. Guys to lock the account. Can't go out. We just got in our last play of the day. If this bit don't work out, we locking the account. But stop loss, this swing, got 1, 2, 3 touches, it broke it. 1, 2 touches, it broke it. Inverse fair value gap. Take profit, this liquidity right here. But I'm going to this liquidity right here. I'm going to trade it, though, because if you start the inverse after it take this liquidity out, then yeah. But this is what we got going. After I took that fat ass loss, let's see if we can shake back, man. Like I said, I still feel like it's gonna come down here into these new week opening gaps today though. So yeah, got 3 misses on good plays, and then a fat ass loss when I just had to put my stop loss up here, but I put it right here. At first, I'm not gonna lie. At first, I'm like right here, then I put it right here, cause I'm like, man, I just know. But then I moved it right here, cause I'm like, shit, it probably finna touch into this fair value gap, and then sell off. But it touched up here, and it didn't break the fucking swing, and then sold off. And after it clapped me out, right here it sold off. So, yeah. But we'll be back. Let y'all know how this plays out. Win or lose, lock in the account after this. Tap in. We moved break even and we waiting. Took out those. Broke through that support. Took out that liquidity. Waiting on this liquidity to get taken out. Let's see. Same players always. Inverse fair value gap right here. Break a trend line right there. 1, 2 touches. Broke. Then it was just playing around. I don't know why I played around for so long, but it was playing around. No lie, that's the longest roller coaster ride we done been on, bro. Today was just crazy. No cap. No cap. But at that breaker structure right here, inverse fair value gap right here, respect the fair value gap right here. If I wasn't already down, I would have put my stop loss right here, but respected the fair value gap at. But we got to make sure we secure that winning day. Trade our way there, winning trade. So if we come back up above this fair value gap, then we got the stop loss right here to where it's going to be enough to make that 160 for top step rules to make a winning day. If it come down and take me out, and my take profit going to be even better winning day. So let's see how this play out. But it bitch just bullshitting right now, and it look like it's trying to fry my shit. So all we can do is wait and watch, man. But yeah, same routine, bro. Today was a selling day, so we was looking for sales anyway, and we got in, made it happen. Here we go, y'all. Let's see if it finally turned me up. After all this pity pat, took a loss earlier. Let's see if it finally turned me up, man. And I'm had a loss in too, show y'all why I lost that. And I missed out on 3 other opportunities to make some bread, but all we need is one. And if this gonna be the one, this gonna be the one. So y'all, let's go ahead and move this trailing stop. Dang, can I even click on it? Go ahead and move that trailing stop right there. Let's go. Let's fucking go. Thank you, finally. Thank you. But yeah, let me break this down to y'all. So we got the breaker trend line right here. The white line. Inverse fair value gap. Boom. Entry. It already broke the trend line. Already inversed the fair value gap. Perfect entry. Then we go respect the fair value gap. You could have put your stop loss right here in case it came up and after it already respected it. And then it came back, made another fair value gap. Boom. Move the stop loss right here after it already respected it. Or put it right here like how I had mine at first. It respected it. Came, took out the last liquidity that we was waiting on. That white line that I drew. And now I feel like it's finna come and get these highs like I was saying in the other videos. I mean, not highs. Fill up this previous week opening fair value gap. I'm telling y'all, man, that bitch came down and filled that shit up. Imagine if a nigga would have held the fucking trade all the way to down there. Look at that shit. Crazy, man. Crazy. Look how many pips that is. That bitch came all the way down to 342 pips from where I entered it. Or ticks, whatever you want to call it. Came filled up that opening week.
Yeah. Tap in, man. Tap in.